Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ferris, and today is Saturday. Saturday is a little cloudy today. It's from one of my first videos here on YouTube, and I'm just going to show you around what we're going to be working on here with all these projects that I've got. I've got 3 trucks right now, and you're looking at one of them at the current moment. It's a 95 Ford F350, 4-door, long bed, 2-wheel drive, with the, what does that say on that fender right there? Power stroke diesel engine in it. That's right. It's got the 7.3 Power stroke diesel, which means it has a turbo on it too. This truck here, as you can see, it's been around the block a little bit. It's seen some miles on it, and it's got probably about 400,000 miles on it. Still a good truck. It actually starts and runs. I started it up about a couple weeks ago, and it still sounds pretty good. Trust me, there's plenty of things to do on this truck for plenty of content that I'm going to share with y'all what I'm going to do here in the upcoming months with that one there. The next truck that I've got sitting over there with that toolbox on the back, it's a 95 GMC 3500. That one there too is a 4-door long bed truck. You see a theme going on right now? 4-door long bed truck. Yep. That one there is 2-wheel drive also. Automatic transmission, but it's got the 5.7 350 TBI engine in it. And it does okay. I got that one running a couple weeks ago too. And actually I've been driving that one. That's been my daily driver. And so it does okay. There's plenty of work to do to that truck. You can probably tell a little bit with that front door, as with any of the old Chevrolets. That door looks like it's pretty tight on the bottom up there in the front where the fender is, and it looks like it's got a big gap at the top. Yeah, the bushings are probably shot on it. It doesn't close right, so we got to fix that. And plus, I don't know if you can see it from here. Let me zoom in on it a little bit. That windshield is just busted. It's gone. Looks like somebody took a baseball bat to it. So we're going to replace the windshield in it. I'm going to fix the door. There's going to be a lot of other things you got to do. That front end is all wore out on it. 350,000 miles on the truck. I couldn't pass it up for what I bought it for. I fixed it up and got it running. It's a good truck. Its interior's clean. Body's in good shape. It just needs some work done to it. Now, let's go over here. Yeah, it's buried over here under the shed. This is another one of my projects that I'm working on. I want to go back and forth on these projects, so keep y'all entertained a little bit. This one under the shed, now I put it here for good reason. Y'all find out later. This one here is an 83 Ford F150 pickup. Crew cab. I'm sorry, not a crew cab. It's an extended cab. I got crew cab on my mind. Haha. Long bed truck. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it does have an 8-foot bed on it. This one here is 2-wheel drive also. This one here has a different motor in it too. It's got the inline 6 in it. Now, I'm not gonna say too much about this inline 6 that's in this truck. I mean, you can probably tell it's got cleaned up a little bit. That head's a different color. Yeah, I had to pull the head off and have it redone here recently. And you'll find out more about that as I'm going along. But this is another one that's going to provide pretty good content down the road for what we're working on. I know y'all would love to see what we're going to do with this truck. Now, one question I have for y'all who's watching, some of y'all might know who I am and know about this truck. Put down in the comments down below, how long do you think I've had this truck? This truck's been around for a while, since '83, but how long do you think I've had it? How long do you think it's been in my possession? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years? Comment below. Tell me what you think. And also, Tell me what you want to see. What kind of content that you want to see from any of these trucks. There goes my neighbor with the helicopters. I told you he's got helicopters. Now he's bringing them over here for now. But yeah, we're gonna do some pretty interesting things with these trucks. So hope y'all like the content. Hopefully y'all will love what I'm sharing with y'all. It's gonna be interesting. It's not gonna be boring, I tell you that. You're gonna love what's all coming together with all these vehicles. So subscribe to the channel, hit a few likes, and send me some comments. Thanks for watching.